And a lot of over-the-counter cough and cold medicines are combination medicines. So you mentioned Tylenol is acetaminophen. So you've got to pay close attention. Is there acetaminophen already in this combination cold or cough medicine? Don't give extra Tylenol with it. But keep it simple, and really under 2 years of age, there is no place for over-the-counter cough and cold medicines, unless it's something like this. So under a year of age, your kiddo cannot have honey. So this is a honey-free cough syrup. A lot of them are more natural. They have things like agave or thyme in them, and they can be very soothing for throats and coughs.